So guys, as you can see in Pinterest, by using a simple method, you can get within 1 hour, within 1 day, so many traffic just using a simple method. Today I am going to sharing this method with you. Don't skip this video. Everything is free. Everything is you can do with mobile. So by computer, you can do this method. So don't skip please. And every equipment, every tool I have used here is accessible all for free. So see, the all boards in the Pinterest is just trending in just 1 hour or 1 week or in between 1 day. So you need first create a Pinterest account here. Okay, after creating a Pinterest account, you need to give some basic information like date of birth. You give your date of birth. Okay, another thing is, don't watch this video only. Do this with this video so your time will not waste. Like seeing a video and not doing it is not all beneficial. Just do with watching. Okay, so it will impact in your task, impact in your work. So if you still not started, just pause my video and start your work, and if you start now, I hope by end of my video your task also will complete. So see, after in Google search Pinterest trend, so you will find what actually trending in Pinterest. We don't use random post, we target only trending post. So in USA, these 4-5 topic is very high, like nails, date planning, outfit idea, and we will use this topic. See how the trend is going, it's uptrend. Okay, so what we will gonna do, we gonna target those type of trending niche. So for that you need images also which can be reusable. So I am going to share you how you can use any image which is very high quality, and you can easily download a plugin. By using this plugin, you can easily download any image. So you go to free pick and search nails. Okay, after nails you can easily select AI generated or exclude AI generated. I selected only AI generated. See, this is all are AI generated. So after that, what will happen? I need to download this high quality image. But how? And how can I reuse this? It is very easy. You need just a single extension. By using this extension, you can download those images in one click. So I am going to show you the extension. So see, all are high quality. So for that, download image downloader extension. I will share the link if you don't find this. And just, okay, this link I will share you. And after installing it, just come to nails your free pick page and download. See, when you click on the extension, you can see all images all automatically extracted. Now you have to just download with mark, like which image you want to download. Like I need this image, I just mark it. Okay, by marking you can easily download all those images. Okay, any image you want to download, just mark it. After mark, okay, so this is also a nice image. Okay, so after mark, here is you can only single download or all download. Okay, so and yes, click on the download button. Now see, every image is now downloading. Let's check the quality of this image. Okay, let's check. See, if I check the image, okay, let's check in the browser so that we can get the real view. See, this is very high quality image I have downloaded from FreePic. No, there is no watermark, and I can now make a post in the ChatGPT. Very easily I can post like, say, this is my topic, interested topic, nails. So what I am going to do, I will tell ChatGPT top 10 in, just use this method. Top 10 in United States this month is nail. Okay, topic, so, and so I have image, you just make some Pinterest post. That's it. So as you can see, by just using this prompt, by just using only this prompt, okay, you can easily make a high trendy Pinterest post. Okay, see, this is the title and this is the description. Everything is ready. Now we are going to make a very high trendy board by using this title description. Okay, so guys, don't watch this video, also do same as I am doing. Your work will be finished within a 10 minutes. So go to Pinterest, there are so many options you can see, your profile also, but I'm going to create a post with board. You can also make a board within the post. Okay, let's first drag the image here. You can upload from folder also. I just shortcut used. Okay, now I'm going to paste the title from ChatGPT. Everything just ready. I need to just copy paste, copy and paste it in here. Okay, then go to same, copy the description. You need to copy the description from here, okay, and paste it in here. Very good. So see, okay, sorry, you need a direct link which we are going to marketing in the Pinterest. So you first go to any URL shortener. See, I'm going to copy a direct link from here and paste in a URL shortener. Let's paste it here and shorten it. Okay, this is my ready. Now copy and let's check it is working or not. I think it will work. Okay, see, it's working. Now as it is working very fine, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to paste the short URL link here and I'm going to make a board. This is very important. Always give a high topic board name. Okay, don't use as I used, don't duplicate, because use your own given board name, so that what will happen, your board will be trending. Okay, now you can use this hashtag here, nail trends, beauty trend USA, everything you can just use in the here. So summer nails, this is a very high tag. And another, so you have to research those tag from, you know what, everything is free, you just need to find out. So the tag also free. So let's add another tag. So guys, as you can see, if you use this method, everything is free. You direct link click will twice in just one day, and you have to do so many Pinterest posts by using this method. And if you complete one post, then you need only 5 seconds for another next Pinterest post. You will very fast when you understand the whole game. So see, my post is ready. I just published it. Let's check the published. Let's view the post. See, this is my professional post and everything is ready. Anyone can save my post. Okay, anyone can save my post, can visit my link, and this is super working method for Pinterest still now on. And you can see so many Adsterra account holder using this method. Using this method, they are earning you can also earn by using this method. And this is a very simple, easy method for Adsterra direct link, and these all traffic are very high CPM traffic because you will get traffic from mostly USA. And you know what, as you are providing high quality image, people will love your post. And let's check that actually how this will help my post. So actually, if who know, they always search in Pinterest with boards, because in a good board they will find so many valuable images, so many valuable posts. So where to find the good board? So you can find by filtering and see here, and then apply. Let's check how many times it need. See, only 11 hours. The first boards is 7.4k pins. Okay, so this is very simple. Only just 11 hours. 7.4k. So many posts. You need at least 50 to 60 plus posts in your board. See, 3.3k in just 13 hours. Okay, see, 4.8k pins. Okay, see, 9.9k pins in within one day. So this is actually the game. You just find the right pick, free image, free tools, everything, and using this method, by using ChatGPT, you can get high quality traffic in your direct link. And it's very simple, very easy. So always use your old Pinterest account, because it will help you to trend your boards when you use so many Pinterest posts. So I hope this video will help you, and don't forget to comment if you like this video. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe. Bye.